Alright guys, this is Profit Empire Price Action EA, and you can see this is Profit Empire Price Action robots trailing the stop loss on profits already. So if I go to the chart, you see what's going on. You can see where it took a buy, very precise entry here, and you can see it's trailing the stop loss, taking the profit there. If you look at GBP USD, similar thing is going on here. We can't see the stop loss now until you start trading the stop loss. If you go to Euro USD, you can see where it took a buy. These are good entry points. So if you want your account plugged into this bot, reach me via my WhatsApp link in the description below, so you make profits from. Also, if I go back to history last 3 months, you can see okay, this is it. Those are profits taken, these are losses. You can see it works with take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop. You can see for yourself. You can see these are his track records. You can see, and so far we are up $88. If this trades close in profit, you see our equity is $501. So you can see this is actually a conservative way to make profit from trading the foreign exchange market. So guys, link to the my MyFxBook for this account is also in the description below. Do have to check out the statistics and metrics of this account, so you are rest assured this is no martingale, this is no grading system, this is pure risk management and price action attached to this EA. So this will be all for now. I'll see you in the next one, guys.